What are our homes like? There are so many countries and cities in the world. Different people live in them. In whatever country and continent we go to, we can see houses that look alike on the inside. What does a typical house look like inside? That's what we're going to learn. Let's start with the kitchen. In the kitchen, there is usually a large kitchen unit with shelves and drawers. There is also a sink for washing the dishes. Let's talk about kitchen appliances. There is a cooker, a fridge, a dishwasher, and a microwave oven. Sometimes there are other electric items, like a toaster, a bread maker, or a blender. Now let's describe what is in the bathroom. There is usually a bath, a wash basin, and a toilet. There is probably a soft rug on the floor. The most beautiful room in the house is usually the living room. You will see a big sofa, armchairs, a coffee table, a bookcase with a home library, and sometimes a cupboard. In some houses there is a fireplace, which makes the living room cozy and creates an atmosphere of warmth and comfort. Some houses and a few flats have dining rooms. As a rule, dining tables are usually either in the kitchen or the living room. A typical dining room has a big dining table with chairs all round it. The bedroom is always somewhere private. It usually has a very calm design. There is a bed with a bedside table, a wardrobe with clothes inside, a carpet, and sometimes a desk with a chair. There is no modern house without modern technical appliances. The most popular nowadays are a TV set, computer, stereo, home cinema, games console, washing machine, iron, vacuum cleaner, and various kitchen appliances. Finally, we should mention the items that make a home unique. Decorations. What do we usually use to decorate our houses? The most common decorations are lamps and plants. Pictures and posters also create a special style and atmosphere. It's nice to have big, soft cushions on the sofa and heavy curtains on the windows. Dining tables look beautiful when decorated with a colorful tablecloth. In the end, it's up to you what furniture you have and what decorations you use to make your house a home.